Hello everyone, welcome to another helpful video. If you're using Realme P3 Lite and want to manage notification settings, then this video is for you. Today we will talk about notification control on this device. So before we begin, make sure subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Now let's start today's video.